To set up virtual environment and activate it, we need to fire our VS Code. So this is how the terminal looks like. I would like to delete all this previously open, and what I would like to go is that go to new terminal, then choose command prompt, and for this particular setup, for on the configurations for VS Code in my computer is such that this virtual environment is already activated. So what I want to do is that I would want to go out, but before let me increase the font size. So you can do this by pressing Ctrl plus. So now it's magnified, and then you can just type deactivate. So this gives me out of the virtual environment, and this is where I think you are likely to start with. To create a virtual environment, what you want to do is that you want to go to the path on your computer where you want to create a virtual environment. I normally create my virtual environment in a folder, Python venvs virtual environments, and all these are virtual environments in my computer. So AA, Aruco marker, custom YOLO v8, all these things are my virtual environment, and I would like to create one here again. So just copy the path and hit right, and you would want to copy and paste it, and you go to this environment and then you hit enter. So now you are in Python virtual environments, and you would want to create your virtual environment here, and command for that is python -m venv, and then give it a name. So I would want to create YOLO version 8 2024 for example. And if you go here, you will have a virtual environment created here. So this was created today. And then if you go here, then you would want to go to the configuration file of the Python, and then look at this 3.10.1. So you would want to have Python 3.10.1 to follow along with the tutorial, and make sure that you have Python 3.10.1. Again, if you have not installed Python and virtual VS Code on your computer, please look into the descriptions where I have explained in details how to create a virtual environment and how to create a Python, how to install VS Code on your computer. So now you have it. So now in this way you have created your virtual environment, but it is still to be activated. To activate it, what you want to do is that you would want to go to the virtual environment that you created right now. So YOLO v8 2024, inside the scripts you have to activate this bat file. So go to scripts and activate it. So scripts, activate. Sorry, you would want to go inside the virtual environment. So cd and the virtual environment that you created, YOLO v8. So now you are inside this, and then type scripts, activate, and then you have this virtual environment created now. And how do you know that? You know this when you have this in your parenthesis, YOLO v8 2024. So this tells that you have your virtual environments activated. And if you want to go out of the virtual environment, just deactivate. So now you see your virtual environment is lost, so you are not in a virtual environment. Again, if you want to activate it, just type scripts, activate, and then you get into your virtual environment. So this is how we created a virtual environment and then activated it and deactivated it.